Hi guys, welcome to Quarenteen Tuesday. I'm Karen, the librarian with Salt Lake County's Riverton branch, and today I have special guest teen Madison.
Hi.
Hi Madison, how are you today?
I'm good.
Good. How old are you?
I'm 14.
You're 14. Are you in high school?
Yeah.
Yeah? So how's it going?
It's pretty fun.
It's pretty fun. Are you doing a lot of online homework?
Yeah.
Online learning? So last week, Teen Josh told us he has a very structured day and he goes outside when he can. He takes family walks. Madison, what do you do for yourself when you're home and you're taking some downtime?
I like to do art.
You like to do art? Are you an artist?
Yeah.
Awesome. So here's some artwork of yours I'm going to show. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So Madison has made this cool zine for us. Madison, what is a zine?
It's a mini magazine.
It's a mini magazine. It can be fun, informative, like Josh made one of colors. It can be a funny comic book. It can be all sorts of fun things. And we're going to show everyone how to fold a zine. The cool thing about zines is they don't require a lot of craft supplies, just a piece of paper. And we're going to fold it first in half, hamburger style. And once we've done that, we are next going to fold it where it meets in the center. And I've seen people who have folded it hamburger style in half like this and then again like this. I just find that if you fold it with these in the middle, it makes for an easier fold later on. Okay, you got that?
Yeah.
Next, we're gonna fold that hot dog style. I say hot dog style, but I have been known to say fold it like an eclair. Okay, so did you fold it?
Yeah.
Cool. Okay, now it looks very folded. We're going to open it and fold it back up hamburger style. And we're going to take scissors. And so this is where the binding is, where the fold is. We're going to cut it just this much, okay? You did that?
Yeah.
Very nice. Okay, once you do that, open it back up, fold it back, hot dog style, and then you kind of do this cool origami press where you're going to squish it to a star and kind of, and then you're going to fold it, press it, and then fold it again in half. Is that it?
Yeah.
Nice job. And you've got your cover and pages. It should be 8 pages. Cool. Okay, Madison. So let's just show them while you're getting that ready, some of the zines. I made a nerdy one about social distancing, you know, where teens want to hang out but can't really hang out right now to be safe. And it says, I'm glad I can video chat with you or text. Me too. Stay safe. So Ryan made a funny one. Where did that go? Chemist tree, 2 chemists in a tree. What do you do when a chemist dies?
Bury 'em.
Bury him. Ah. Okay, so just one final note for any of our teens out there who are struggling, who feel sad, who want someone to talk to. I want to let you guys know that there is an app called Safe UT. You can download it for free. There's someone available to text or talk with you via phone. It's 24/7. All of the teens out there, we miss you, we care about you, we like you just the way you are. So if you're feeling sad or need someone to talk to and you're struggling with this quarantine, please feel free to talk to someone at Safe UT. And we hope to see you again next week for another Quarenteen Tuesday.